Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing out there? We got an interesting thing here. This is a 21.5-inch brass solid ship porthole. This is what you would see. I've stayed on, been lucky enough to stay at a Queen Mary a few times, and this is exactly what you would see. This would be in some type of passenger room, or really any room in a ship, that the resident inside would unscrew it and open up the porthole and would be able to lock it down for some choppy seas. So if you are into nautical collection, or your museum that would like a great piece like this, let us know. This is being listed as local shipping or pickup only. If for some reason you do want it, we can get you a quote to have it shipped, but you're looking at least $300 or $400 to have this shipped. Otherwise, it's right here in Orange. Come on down and get it.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent, in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.